Hello and welcome to RAFLIMTS. This is Farooq Hussain and today I'm going to introduce the RAFLIMTS. RAFLIMTS is an abbreviation of Ready Access to Free Library and Information Management Technologies. That's actually a newly born YouTube channel. In this channel, we will learn about the installation, configuration, customization, administration, and operations of different integrated library systems, digital library systems, cataloging and metadata management, classification tools, discovery and guided tools, citation management and styles, information searching and retrieval databases, and many more. I wasn't planned to launch this channel in June 2019, but because of unfortunate death of my mother, it has late. Most of the integrated library systems are free and open source like Koha, PHP MyBibli, OpenBiblio, Slims, Evergreen, NewGenLib. In digital library system, we will talk about the DSpace, Calibre ebook management, Greenstone, ePrints, and some others. In this channel, we will explore the cataloging and metadata management like RDA, MARC, BibFrame, Doubling Core, and some other tools. We will also learn about the classification tools for effective book and knowledge classification. Discovery system like VuFind, guided tools like Subject Plus and Summon search engine. We will also learn about the citation management and different styles, and talk about the information searching and retrieval from open and closed access databases, and many more. So you can join us by subscribing this channel, and all contents and video are copyright to me. I mean Farooq Hussain Zai. So you are requested to kindly share the links of all videos instead of downloaded version. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.